Welcome viewer. This video tutorial describes mobile hotspot not working in Windows hidden fix for setup error. First method is network and internet troubleshooting. Second method is internet sharing service settings. Third method is update Windows. Fourth method is network reset. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video. See you next video.